Okay, my purpose today is to show you how to get the Family Search Family Tree app and figure out how to find ordinances that are ready to take to the temple. So the first thing you have to do to get started is get the app. This will work on iPhone or Android. You can get it from the Play Store or iTunes, whatever you get it with the iPhone. It's called the Family Search Tree app. If you just type this in, you'll be able to download it. In order to get online, it'll be easiest for you if you have your membership record number. That should be on Temple Recommend if you have that, or that can be, you can get that from a member of the bishopric. With that membership record number entered in, or your normal LDS account that you use to log into LDS.org or churchofjesuschrist.org, you'll be able to log right in and almost immediately get a record of your family tree. So mine pops up. So here I am down in the middle there, and you can see branching off of me are my parents and then all of them. So it'll show you a family tree. You can follow that back quite a ways. What I want to show you is how to find ordinances that are ready to take to the temple. This is a really handy trick. So if you click over here on what's called the hamburger, or the three lines on the left, it'll open up a menu, and as you look at it, the one that we want to go to is temple. We have several other things that we can do. One that's really fun is relatives around me, which will scan the area to see if anyone else who's logged in on their phone at that point in time in the room is related to you. But let's look at the temple. So we click on temple, and it opens up and tells me right now I don't have any names reserved to take to the temple. So if I click ordinances ready, and here I can select what kind of ordinances I want to do at the temple the next time I go. Let's say I want to do an endowment. So I click on endowment, and now it's scanning through my family tree, through all of my relatives, my aunts, uncles, great aunts, uncles, second cousins, twice removed, all that stuff, to find someone that needs to get an endowment done. And so now I can view the person, and here we go. This is Andreas Willem Meyer that I'm related to. If I can view the relationship. So it looks like it starts with me down on the bottom, goes through my mom's side all the way up a couple generations, and then he's related to me. It says he's my first cousin, 4 times removed husband. All right, so that's pretty cool. So now if I go back to the screen, I can continue, and it's preparing a card for me. Now you don't even have to print this out when you go to the temple. You just have to have this screen. You can save it to photos, and now it's in my photo album on my phone. Or you can have this screen pulled up, and when you go into the temple, after you show them the greeters at the, you can go in to an office. The greeters will tell you where to go, and just take your phone, and they will scan this funny little box, which is called a QR code, and they'll print out the temple or the ordinance form for you to do the endowment. It is so easy now to get names of relatives to take to the temple. When you have this app, you're pretty much guaranteed to always be able to find a name, whether it's related to you closely or distantly. You always find a name, and it works super fast. One time I was walking from the temple. I was walking from the parking lot in the temple to the front door, and I was able to get a name on my phone and then take it to the office and get that name printed out. It's a really cool thing that we can do to have a greater connection between our family history and our temple attendance.